up, everybody? Back again with another video. As you can see right here, I got some new visors. All right, last week when I got my car, I was very excited, so I went on Amazon and I didn't even really look. I just looked at fucking visors, and I ended up getting this one right here that I have right now, which is not colored. It's literally just plain. They come with fasteners, but mine unfortunately didn't. And they also come with chrome trim on top, which would have been nice if I had chrome, but I don't. So I took them off and they just look weird as hell to me, so I ended up just canceling the order. But as I was canceling it, I don't know if I made a mistake or whatever, but they ended up sending me another one. So I'm gonna return both of them, but I got these right here. These are nice. I will link this down on the description. These are already smoked. Yeah, let's get into the install and we'll see how it looks. You know what's crazy? Is alcohol? But look what it's for.
No.
Yeah.
Never again, that was the last time.